Yeah, baby, yeah.
How big is the first one, you say?
My
big boy?
big boy is 10 years old now.
No. How much
He weighed 9 pounds. Yeah, he was big. My daughter was 8 months born.
Oh,
So she was about 5 pounds.
5 pounds?
Yeah. Very small. Yeah, she was 8 months. Daughter. Yeah, they came out. Yeah. Yeah. She was some little bit trouble. My wife with my daughter was pregnant, so it started, bleeding. So that was they take 1 month earlier.
Okay, 10 o'clock. Yeah, good boy. So, Ollie, I can give this to you now. 35 in the house. Are you done with the other one?
Ya, baby, ya. Ay, qué hermoso.
Good cry. I like to cry. Yeah, keep on crying.
What is that? Section?
Yeah, this is the schedule one. Yours is on schedule, right?
That's not the schedule, huh?
The one you had is not the schedule one.
No. There's another one that's not. I was going to take it to Walmart and spot and I'll go to one house in my little one. Not right now.
Let's see how tall you are, kid. How tall are you? Pretty tall. Mommy tall?
Yeah.
20 inches.
10 inches? Oh.
Good size.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Can you let us see know?
Yeah.
It's gone. It said it's not there, so I thought it was there.
Yeah, baby, yeah. Ya, chiquita, que tiene mi baby ya, baby ya. Ya está aquí, ya, chiquitas. Chiquitas.
81, 42.
Ya.
35.
Ya, chiquita, se mueve, tiene sueño. Ya.